Why not?
So I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, big friend. Goodbye. Come back again to visit me. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. I miss you already.
Alright, let's see. Oh, that was back then.
Yoo-hoo! Hello everybody! It's me, Heimlich! I'm a cute little para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien a sus oruguitas. My stomach is so empty. Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. I see a big carrot. You like carrots? Mama says I have to eat all my vegetables if I want to have dessert. And I do want to have dessert. Oh, this apple tastes just like apple strudel. Only without the strudel. Ha ha ha! Do you smell what I smell? That's watermelon. Oh, taste that. Oh, smell the delicious watermelon. Just as long as around, which way to go? Brussels sprouts or yummy desserts? Oh, animal crackers. Oh, I love animal crackers. I hope this box is not as empty as my stomach. Here I come, little animal crackers. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, there's so many goodies. Sweets and sweets are my favorite things to eat, yeah. Mama always says to say, excuse me. Excuse me. Candy corn! I must be in Heimlich heaven. Oh, I'm so full I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, to stay seated while I stop and take a little break and digest all this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment. I'm going to drop you off so I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Come back again and visit me. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. I miss you already.